Anything homemade is usually better than store-bought or processed one, or what we normally call canned meals in this part of the world. Okay, so I know you must have seen canned Banga concentrate. And what we don't know is that most times all these concentrates had some additives and some preservatives. Okay, it ranges from sugar, salt, and some thickeners, like a whole lot which we do not know. So preparing your own at home is always the best option if you can. So today I want to take you through the process of preparing your own banga concentrate at home. These are just very easy steps. Okay, so let's go into it. If you're meeting us for the first time, my name is Chex and you're warmly and highly welcome back to my kitchen. So let's prepare this together. The very first place to start if you want a very tasty banga concentrate is by picking your palm fruits. Okay, you need to do this so that you can remove any one that is bad. Please don't skip this, because once there's any bad fruit among them, you're going to get something that will taste bad as well. Okay, so don't skip this. Carefully hand pick your banga fruits, wash them, and then boil them for at least 30 minutes. Now, after boiling them, you can use a food processor, you can use whatever that works for you. Okay, technology has made a lot of things easy for us now. Okay, but I normally use my mortar, because most times when I want to prepare this, I go in large quantity. So I use my mortar to now, like, a kind of pound it very well until the pulps are out of the seed. Okay, here I've finished pounding it. I am just a kind of divide it into two so that it will be easy for me to wash. Okay, because after pounding, the next process is to wash it, and that is what many people do not know how to do properly. Okay, so you're going to go in with your hot water. Yes, because you need hot water to bring out all the banga and the concentrate that is still attached to the chaff and to the seed. You do this carefully, and afterwards the next step will come in. Here we have carefully sift through every single part of this banga concentrate. Like, it passed through a lot of sieving, like up to 3 stages of sieving, but here I'm going to sieve it one more time, now directly into the pot that we are going to be using it to cook. Can you see how thick the concentrate is already? Now you're making this for yourself, so you have to consider a lot of things. Because if you really want to store this for a long time, you have to make sure that it has little or no moist in it. That's one of the tricks, okay? And that is why I usually advise that you make your banga thick from the onset, okay? From the time you are processing it, don't use too much water so that it will save you your gas and your time, because we are going to cook this until it dries up drastically. Just watch.
Many hours later.
Guys, this is actually the next day. I boiled this down for so many hours. Like, even after making my concentrate thick, it still took some good hours for us to get to this point, okay? My empty Bama containers comes in very handy at this point. So, but first of all, look at this sweetness looking at you. Can you see the concentration of oil at the top? Can you see the banga concentrate itself? There's no single additive on this, guys, like not even salt. You can add salt, it helps to preserve it further, but I usually don't add salt. But bet me, those ones you buy over the counter, they have a lot of these things. They even have some thickness, but this one is natural, pure in its rich essence, guys. So you just go ahead and scoop them into some small containers for easy use, and afterwards you can store this over your counter, on your kitchen cabinet, or you can store them in your freezer or inside your fridge, anywhere that suits you, okay? But bet me, this can last for up to 6 months without spoiling. I do this every day, so I can tell you this for free. Just carefully scoop them in and cover them tightly. That is all this thing needs. I use banga a lot in my house, so I prepare it on a regular. Most of my soup, I use banga on them. I make banga stew, like a whole lot that I do with banga. So that is all about this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have learned one or two from this process, okay? And feel free to share with your family and friends, and see you all in my next one. Don't forget that Checks loves you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.